with MarineMax, and we want to know, what are you up to this summer? For MarineMax, it's all about the Burgee. A Burgee symbolizes the boating lifestyle, spending time with family and friends on the water. And to show how we are all united by water, boaters everywhere are taking pictures with their Burgees and sharing them on social media with the hashtag #ShowUsYourBurgee. So how do you get in on all this sweet Burgee action? It's easy. Simply visit your local MarineMax store and ask for one. Hi, thank you, Katie. Not sure where your local MarineMax store is located? Visit marinemax.com/stores. While at the store, check out all the beautiful boats and yachts MarineMax has to offer. All right, so now you've got all these great photos of you and your Burgee and the fun things you've been doing this summer. Now what? Simply share them on social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you choose. By using hashtag #ShowUsYourBurgee, you can connect with other boaters just like you. If you have any questions, visit marinemax.com/showusyourburgee, and we'll see you out on the water.